Hello and welcome once again to NFT Central, where we review every single NFT that you might have not realized could actually give you some nice, sweet gains, or perhaps you didn't even know that it existed, but don't worry, rest assured that is what we are here for. Now today we are not going to do a top 3, we are not going to check a game, no, we're going to check one specific NFT, and that is Orc Racing Club. That's right, Orc Racing Club. Now, what do we have here right now? Orc Racing Club has been around for quite some time, August 2021, but it has 15.7k followers, and that is a lot. Now, they have their own website, and of course, they have their own Discord server for you to go and check, and I really encourage you to do that. And not only that, their pinned tweet has December 22, and if I scroll down, 16 hours ago, they had a tweet. December 25th, they had a tweet. Then December 25th again. So they are quite active all the time. I love that about it. But why did I pick Orc Racing Club? No? Well, the reasons are many. You know me, I like, let's say that I like design, I like lore, I like a community-driven project, and I like when people dedicate themselves to the specific project, so they don't just bail out or anything. Now, I checked in Solana analysis, and Orc Racing Club has a market cap of 300k. Their floor price is 0.2 and their average price in the last 7 days is also 0.2. It doesn't fluctuate that much. Now the price percentage change in the last 24 hours has been 8%, but they have had an increase of 23% in their volume. The volume is right now where is it? Oh, there you go. Not 1,000, $10,000 almost. They have the 9,000 number right there. And the percentage of tokens right now is 9.6. There you go. So you might be wondering, why didn't I choose any of these ones up above? The reason is that all of these NFTs that I have right here, they were a little iffy. They didn't have their website ready, or perhaps they were a little idle, they weren't very active. And when I saw Orc Racing Club, I said, oh, that's a familiar face that I see right there, because I have seen it in the top the top spots multiple times. And now that I actually check it out, I can see why. Now, they have multiple giveaways, and of course, like I told you, they have 15.7k followers. But once I go to their website, I can understand why. Now, the first thing that we see when we enter their website is the fact that they have a lot of designs. Their models change, their colors change, the swords, the accessories. I say swords because that's plentiful, but they can have clubs, they can have spikes, arrows, like a quiver. You name it, they have it. They can vary it a lot. Now, welcome to the Orc Racing Club. ORC is a collection of 6969 nice Orc NFTs hosted on the Solana blockchain. Your Orc NFT is a unique digital asset and is your membership token into the Orc Racing Club, granting you access to members-only perks. These exclusive perks include: your Orc NFT is your ticket to the Orc Racing Club game. Holders will receive a car NFT dropped in December. Access to the Orc DAO, vote on the strategic decisions for the ORC, and where to invest funds from the DAO treasury. Future quarterly airdrops to Orc holders, and a chance to buy our exclusive socially Orc World merchandise. That is quite a lot. Now, we are setting out a bold vision for the future of Solana NFTs. Read more in our roadmap, like any good NFT has, and join us for the ride. Now, if I click on the roadmap, you have it right. Oh, my bad. I think it's going to redirect you. There you go, inside the website. Now, they can show you, by the way, before the roadmap, you have all the options here to buy an orc. It is the minting basically here. You can use it on Magic Eden, Soul Sea, Art, or this little one that I actually forgot the name of. It's digitalized. There you go, digitalized. But if I scroll down, they explain the specs that this NFT has, and of course, their roadmap. We have a bold vision. This is our high-level roadmap. We have many other features in the pipeline that will be released going forward, and other ideas which will be generated by our community and voted via the Orc DAO. Now they have the launch, which is ready, and they have the post mint, which is halfway. You can set up the ORC collection on secondary marketplaces, you can release rarity and sales bot, you can establish your DAO, but you are still lacking these. So I am very, very sure, but remember, they have been around since August and they have already done all of this. They will surely get these things done in no time. So it's just a matter of time. They have a lot planned for ahead. They have the post-meet, they have the club, the expandee on the treasury, and of course, the game. Nowadays, NFTs are expanding. They're not simply just one image. They expand to an actual full-blown game, and that's amazing in my opinion. Now, Orc was created by 4 friends who are passionate about the future of DeFi and have been avidly watching the growth of the NFT world. We set out to create some cool art people we love and build a community of like-minded people. And here you can see basically every single one of them. Now they have the links here, and that's basically it. It's a very simple website. You can definitely use, a lick of paint, maybe an image in the background, but hey, I'm no expert. Anyhow, even if they don't have much of a design in their website, they certainly promise and they pack a punch with these many followers and all this activity, and yeah, their price is absolutely beautiful. So, with that said, let me remind you that even though I show you a lot of promise for gains in this video, no use of video is official financial advice. So I really encourage you to come here to Twitter page of Orc Racing Club or orcracingclub.com and check it out for yourself. I know you can do it, you're a smart one. Now, this has been NFT Central. I hope that the video has been useful for you and you enjoyed and you have much success when you deal with these NFTs. Have fun, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.